Good morning to all. My topic is cooperative global data position for integrity verification in multi-cloud storage. Actually, global data position is a technique for ensure, ins- ensuring the integrity of data in storage outsourcing. In this project, we address the construction of efficient PDP schemes for distributed cloud storage to support the scalability of service and data migration, in which we consider the extensions of multiple cloud service providers to cooperatively store and maintain the client's data. We present the cooperative PDP scheme based on homomorphic verifiable response and hash index hierarchy. We prove the security of our scheme based on multi-prover zero knowledge proof system, which can satisfy completeness, knowledge soundness, and zero knowledge properties. In addition, we articulate performance and optimization mechanisms for our scheme and in particular present an efficient method for selecting optimal parameters values in to minimize the computation cost of clients and storage service providers. Experiments show that our solution introduced lower computation and communication overheads in comparison with non-cooperative approaches. The feasibility of the project is analyzed in this project business proposal in put forth with a very general plan for the project and some cost estimates. During system analysis, the feasibility study of the proposed system is to be carried out. This is to ensure the proposed system is not a burden to the company. For feasibility analysis, some of understanding of the major requirements for the system is essential. Three keys constituently involved in the feasibility analysis are economical feasibility, technical feasibility, and social feasibility. This study is carried out to check the economical impact that the system will have the organization. The amount of fund that the company can pour into the research and development of the system is limited. The expenditures must be justified. Thus, the developed system as well within the budget, and this way this was achieved because most of the technologies used are freely available. Only the customized products had to be purchased. Technical feasibility. This study is carried out to check the technical feasibility, that is, the technical requirements of the system. Any system developed must not have to have a high demand on the available technical resources. This will lead to high demands on the available technical resources. This will lead to high demands being placed on the client. The development system must have a modest requirements as only minimal or null changes are required for implementing this system. Social feasibility. The aspect of study is to check the level of acceptance of the system by the user. This includes the properties of training the user to the system efficiently. The user must not feel threatened by the system. Instead, must accept it as a necessary. The level of acceptance by the users solidity depends on the methods that are employed to educate the user about the system and to make his level of confidence must be raised so that he also is also able to make some constructive criticism, which is welcomed as he is the final user of the system. There exist various tools and technologies for multi-cloud, such as Platform VM Orchestra, VM Westware, and Orbit. These tools are help cloud providers construct a distributed cloud storage platform for managing clients' data. However, if such an important platform is vulnerable to security attacks, it could bring it, irretrievable losses to the clients. For example, the confidential data is an enterprise may be illegally accessed through a remote interface provided by the multi-cloud, or relevant data and archives may be lost or tampered with when they are stored into an uncertain storage pool outside the enterprise. Therefore, it is indispensable for cloud service providers to provide security techniques for managing their storage services support system. To check the availability and the integrity of outsourced data in the cloud storage, researchers have proposed two basic approaches called provable data position and proofs of retrievability. They also proposed a publicly verification version which always anyone, not just the owner, to challenges the server for data position. They proposed a lightweight PDP scheme based on cryptographic hash index hierarchy. But the servers can deserve the bonus by using previous metadata or response due to the lack of randomness in the challenges. The numbers of updates and challenges are limited and fixed in advance, and users cannot perform black instruction anywhere. Multi-cloud storage. Distributed computing is used to refer to any large collaboration in which many individual personal computer owners allow some of their computer's processing time to be put at the service of a large problem. In our system, the each cloud admin consists of data blocks. The cloud user upload the data into multi-cloud cloud computing environment in the constructed based on open architecture and interfaces. It has the capability to incorporate multiple internal and or external cloud service together to provide high interoperability. We call a such distributed cloud environment as a multi-cloud. A multi-cloud allows client to easily access